Namaste and welcome to this pranayama practice that helps you feel centered and focused. Find a comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Allow your body to just feel exactly where it is right now. Being in this present state, bringing your awareness towards your belly as you inhale and exhale. Allowing the belly to move in and out as you breathe. Expanding with the inhalation, relaxing with the exhalation. Filling it up with the inhalation, emptying it out with the exhalation. Starting with Kapalbhati, 50 repetitions for 3 rounds. So 50 strokes in a medium pace. Switch your palms facing upwards in Jnana Mudra. Begin. Inhale, exhale. Inhale completely and hold your breath. Slow exhalation to release and breathe. Second round, 50 repetitions, begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale completely to hold your breath. Normal natural breath. Going for third round, inhale and begin. Normal natural breath. Block your right nostril from your right thumb. Inhale. Block both the nostrils, chin to chest. Hold your breath. Chin up. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Block the nostril, chin to chest. Chin up. Exhale from the left. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Block your nostril. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head up. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Block nostril. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin up. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from the same. Block the nostril. Lift up. Exhale. Switch the nostril to exhale. Inhale from the same. Block. Hold. Chin up. Switch. Inhale. Block. Lift up. Exhale. Inhale. Block. Lift up. Exhale. Relax the arms and breathe. Brahmari, covering the eyes with the fingertips, ears with the thumb. 5 rounds. Inhale. Relax your palms, keep your eyes closed. Join your palms at heart center. Take this time to just acknowledge yourself. Remind yourself of things that make this life healthy, safer, and welcoming. Your positive energy, supporting people around you, and this beautiful weather. Without forgetting to gratitude towards your healthy body and healthy mind. Take your time to rub your palms together, create good nice heat, and pass it on to your eye socket. Take your time to open your palms in front of your face and blink your eyes open at the palms. Thank you.